how could you not afford a lawyer? And I don't mean that to be flippant. What I really mean to say is, well, what's your plan? If you have $30,000 worth of debt, how are you going to pay that off? At the very least, when you file for bankruptcy and you pay for an attorney, you know with some assurance that that flat fee is going to pay for your attorney to file your case, represent you at the 341 hearing, and wait around for your discharge. And you won't ever have that debt hanging over your head any longer. So the ways that people come up with the money is they use their tax refund. Some people use their tax refund to pay down debt. You should not do that if your plan is to file for bankruptcy. You should use that to pay your bankruptcy attorney. Some people stop paying all of their credit cards and personal loans completely. They take all of that money that they saved and pay it toward a bankruptcy attorney. Some people get themselves out of a debt consolidation program and they take that money and use it toward a bankruptcy attorney. Some people take money out of their 401k and they are able to pay the fee to the bankruptcy attorney. Some people borrow it from family members or friends. There are a myriad of ways to get this money together. But what you have to think is, don't think of paying a lawyer as some negative thing. This isn't a 1 year long process. If you're a Chapter 7, it's a 3 to 4 month process. You pay your attorney, they file your case, you go to the 341 meeting, you do what they tell you to do, and your debt is discharged, and you never have to pay a lawyer again, and you don't ever have to pay that debt again. So you have to think about it as, what is your long-term goal? What is your goal for retirement planning, building wealth, your children's education? All of those things should be at the forefront of your mind when you're thinking, how am I going to afford this flat fee to a lawyer to get rid of all of your debt?